It's a 2015 Ford Escape. Yield to adventure. This SUV will take you and your toys to faraway places. Features include intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated leather bucket seats, streaming audio, rear parking sensors, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, external memory control, hands-free liftgate, doors and push-button start proximity key, and automatic transmission. Motor Trend writes, the Escape's brake feel is solid and linear. Pedal pressure corresponds nicely to brake force, making them easy to modulate and confidence-inspiring. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.